This training describes the actions and responsibilities of an HIE administrator in providing your staff access to CurrentCare, Rhode Island's statewide health information exchange. The HIE Admin Tool is a secure application that allows HIE administrators to manage their CurrentCare portal access for staff at their organizations. The functionality of the HIE Admin Tool and the focus of this training is to provide you with a self-service platform giving you more control over your specific users and giving them correct access when they need it. The HIE Admin Tool allows you to add user accounts, add services for users, audit user accounts, and reset user passwords. If you'd like to go back to any section of this training for a review, we suggest you visit our webpage listed at the bottom of the screen, where you will find a PDF version of these slides. The PDF version includes active links from this table of contents page, so you can go directly to the section you'd like to review. The Health Information Exchange Administrators, or HIE admins, are the key people at your organization who are responsible for maintaining CurrentCare user accounts and access. We strongly urge you to select at least 2 people in your organization to fill this role. Additionally, it's important to let your staff know who these people are and how they can get access. Here is a list of responsibilities for the HIE admin, along with resources that will give you more detail. This list is similar to the HIE Admin Responsibilities PDF that can be accessed on our website at the link in the first row of this table. All of these items are explained in this video and on the associated PDF document. It's extremely important that your staff understands CurrentCare's policies around accessing and using the data in CurrentCare, as well as the process of how they can request access, reset passwords, and how to view training materials for the CurrentCare platform. In addition to the information on this slide, we have several resources on our website to help you educate your staff. As we begin to explain the HIE Admin Tool and its functionality, it's important to remember that creating or adding a user account provides the user with access to the CurrentCare portal only. It does not give them access to any services or data within the portal. You will need to provide users with these services after their accounts have been added. You can add accounts individually or upload a list of multiple users. To get started, if you have already set up your user account, log into CurrentCare portal, then click the HIE Admin Tool tile in your dashboard. Now select the Accounts tab. You will probably see only one account associated with your organization, but in some cases, an organization could have multiple accounts. Select the account you'd like to work with. Whether you intend to create an individual user or a list of multiple users, each process begins by clicking the Add Users tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. To add a single user, ensure Single User is selected, then use the drop-down list to select a title or role for this particular user. If a specific title is not listed, use Other Licensed Healthcare Practitioner or Other Non-Licensed Staff, which you'll find further down in the drop-down list. Complete the fields on the web form for each user. Portal is automatically selected for user type. Each user must have a unique email address within the organization so the account can be created. If a medical professional works at more than one organization, they must be set up separately at each organization with separate emails. After you click Submit, the Attestation screen will appear. This is where you will acknowledge that you have verified the user and that all authorized users have received training on the HIE policies and procedures on the use of CurrentCare data. Click Confirm to continue. After you click Confirm, an email will be sent to the user from donotReply@hmetrix.com. Be sure to let users know about this email as it expires after 72 hours. If you receive an error message, it's typically associated with a user who already has an account under that email. You can go to the Users tab and use the search feature to see if this user already exists in the system, or if you do not see the user listed, please contact Technical User Support. If you would like to add a list of multiple users at this time, under the Add Users tab, click the Bulk User subtab. Click the Bulk User Template link. Follow your browser's instructions to download the Excel file. The spreadsheet may default to the second tab called Required Fields by title. You aren't required to enter anything here. Switch to the User List tab to enter information for each staff member. When you've entered all the users on the User List tab, save the file in a CSV format. Click the Upload Files link and follow the directions for uploading your CSV file. You will be able to review what you have submitted before creating the accounts. If needed, edit the information that you submitted and check to see if everything is filled out appropriately. When you've finished reviewing, click the Create Users button. Similar to the single user option, you will have to confirm that the statements in the box are true. Once you click Confirm, the system will tell you how many of your records were successful and how many failed. If you have any users that failed to upload, the user's information that was uploaded will appear in the table on the screen, along with an error message. In this particular example, there's an invalid NPI number associated with the user. To correct this error, click into that text box with the field associated to the error message. Once you have edited this information, click Reprocess Users. The system will try to recreate this user. Keep in mind, if you navigate away from the screen before you reprocess users or correct any of the information about this user's account, the account will not be created, nor will it be saved in any draft mode. If you don't have the correct information readily available, you can add that user as a single user at a later time. Remember that creating user accounts simply sets them up in the system. The HIE admin must also assign services for all users in the system. This can be done on an individual basis or for multiple users. Services are applications or features that users can access within the CurrentCare portal. Services are sometimes referred to as applications or apps or tiles, and in some cases you may hear them referred to as assets. To assign services for multiple users, go to Accounts, choose your account, then click on the Services subtab. Here you'll find a list of all services available to your organization. The most common services for CurrentCare will be Portal to view clinical data and Population Explorer to view encounter notifications. Click on the hyperlink for the service you want to assign. Click Service Management, then click Assign Services. Select the users to whom you want to provide this service, then click Confirm Selections. Next, click Complete. On the final screen, click Finish. To assign services to a single user, go to the Users tab. Search for the user's name in the search field. Click on the user's name, then click Service Management in the upper right-hand corner. Now click Assign Services. A pop-up window will show the services that are available. Select the desired service, then click Next, then click Finish. It's important that you audit each user at least once every 90 days, or their account will be suspended. We will remind you by email once a month to complete user audits, and we suggest that you audit the full list at that time. At 120 days, a suspended user will be deactivated, which means the HIE admins will not be able to reinstate their access. To audit accounts, click on the Accounts tab. Select the account name. In the upper right-hand corner, click Audit. You can approve the entire page in one click, or you can individually approve or deny access and then scroll to the bottom of the page and click Complete Audit. Once you have made all your selections, a confirmation page will appear. Any user for whom you clicked Deny will show in the Deactivated User section. Any you approved will remain in the Active User section. If everything looks correct, you can click Finish. You will see a success message once you have completed this and clicked Finish. After 90 days without an audit, user accounts will be suspended. You can view suspended users by clicking the Suspended User tab while in the audit screen. Here you can approve the user account to reinstate access, or you can deny access. After 120 days without any audit, user accounts will be deactivated. You will need to contact customer service to have the account reactivated. If you would like to download a list of all those who have access to CurrentCare in your organization, click on the Accounts tab and then click the name of your organization's account. Click the User Export tab at the top right of the toolbar. Click the Export link to download the file. The list will include both active and suspended users. You can easily edit user details, reset passwords, deactivate services, and look at all services associated with a particular user. If you need a user's contact information, click on the Users tab, then search for the person's name. Then select the user's name. Select Edit to update any contact information, then click Save. Please note, HIE admins may only edit a user's last name, salutation, suffix, and phone number. To edit an email address, please contact CurrentCare support or deactivate the user account and create a new one with the updated email address. To deactivate services for a user, click the Users tab and search for the user's name. Click on the user's name to select it. Click Service Management, then click Deactivate Services. Click on the services you wish to deactivate. Click Next, then click Finish. If you need to verify all services that have been assigned to a single user, go to the Users tab to search for an individual user, select the user name to open the contact record, click on the User Services tab. You may need to click View All to see all services associated with this user. Users can reset their own password, but if a user has activated their account, the HIE admin can also reset passwords and reactivate accounts if necessary. Use the search bar to select a specific user, click on the username, click on User Services tab, then click View All to expand the view. Look for the services associated with the portal, then click the blue link. Click on the HIE Portal User Management link in the top right. You might need to click a down arrow to see this option. Click on Reset Password or Resend Activation link from the pop-up window. Read the instructions, then click on Confirm Reset. Users can also reset their own passwords by clicking Reset Your Password link on the CurrentCare portal login screen. Always alert a user when a reactivation email has been sent, as they will need to click the link and activate their account within 72 hours. If you need assistance or have questions about CurrentCare or the HIE admin tool, you can learn more at the web pages listed here, or please contact our support team who will be happy to assist you.